This video will show you how to add new basic graphic objects into a blank page in AVEVA Plant SCADA. Graphic objects are a component you add into a graphic page to create a meaningful representation of the process that the page will monitor. You can add these using the graphic builder. To start said graphics builder, simply click on the shapes icon with the rectangle, circle, and triangle on the left-hand side menu. You can maximize the screen if you are more comfortable to do so. Once the graphic builder is open, create a new page by clicking on the paper on the top left side. Choose the blank option. After that, you can click on Objects on the most top side to create some objects. Alternatively, you could also use the toolbar that should be on the right side of your screen.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.